Sawadee krap! Today we are doing a Thai inspired salad. The ingredients for this simple salad are semi-ripe mangoes, cucumbers and grapes, which is then dressed in some Thai chili sauce, lime juice and honey to create a simple Thai inspired salad. Do you want to know how to do this Thai inspired salad? Follow me as I whip up this salad to show all of you. The ingredients for this refreshing salad will be some grated cucumber, grapes which I've already cut into quarters like this, and also grated mango. So you have the sour, you have the sweet, and you also have the refreshing water part coming from our cucumbers. For the sauce or the dressing, we have Thai chili sauce, some honey and a little bit of lime juice, some coriander, crushed peanuts for a little bit of a crunch, and for the Thai flavor we have a bruised lemongrass and also chilies. So let's look at how we are going to do our dressing first. So in a bowl I'm going to add the honey, Thai chili sauce, and also lime juice. Definitely for a dressing we need to add some salt and also some sugar to balance out the flavors. So once you have added in salt, sugar as well as the other dressing ingredients, give it a stir first. We also want to infuse a little bit of the heat from the chilies, but I will only be using one of each, one green and also one red chili, and also the bruised lemongrass. So now that we have done our dressing, we will be adding in the salad ingredients, which are the grated mango, grapes, and we will give this a stir first. Once we have given it a stir, we will be adding in the grated cucumber and fold it in gently because we don't want the water to be released from the cucumbers. So now that we have folded all our salad ingredients well, it's ready to be served. For garnish, I'll be adding some coriander, and remember the crushed peanuts just now, that's for a crunch. So I'll just sprinkle some of the crushed peanuts on top. And there you have it, our Thai inspired salad is ready. It's a refreshing salad that is great on a hot day, or even when you are feeling if you want a bite. This is a salad that you can whip up within minutes. I hope you do try this recipe, and for more interesting recipes, please click the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel Cooking with Kartini Kannan. I'm Kartini Kannan and I will see you in the next episode.